Today we are going to learn about potentiometer. So as we have learned about many modules in our hardware part, so now here is a potentiometer. So potentiometer is also called a pot. It is a component which is used to change or control voltage. It works like a volume knob or a fan speed regulator. So as we can see here, there is a knob here which is used to turn left or right. So the if the tap or this knob, if it is turning left, the electricity will be flowing less. If it is turned towards right, then the electricity will be flowing more. A potentiometer works same as the way, but instead of controlling water, it controls the electricity, which is voltage. So now the question is what it does. So potentiometer can control LED brightness and control speaker volume and control motor speed. So gives the difference between voltage values to the Arduino or ESP. So we have some parts in the potentiometer. So it is not like the sensors which has many parts. It has very less compared to that. So we have a black and blue colored knob here that is rotating shaft. So this is the part you turn with your finger. Turning it changes the output voltage. And we have three pins here, that is S, V and G. So S pin here is, it is used to connect uh, to the Arduino. So it sends the voltage to the Arduino or ESP. As you turn the knob, this will change the volume of the electricity. That is S. And V and G are power pins. So V is used as VCC and G as ground. So VCC is connected to the 5 volts of the Arduino, or 2.2 volts, and it is connected to the ground is connected to the ground of Arduino or ESP. So in S, if you turn fully left, then it is 0 volts. If you keep it in the middle, this part, if it is in the middle, then it is 2.5 volts. Now as we can see that it is turned fully right, that means it is giving the 5 volts of the current to the circuit. And now how it works. Imagine there are two outer pins and 5 volts and ground. So this is 5 volts and ground. If it is near 5 volt, output is high, and near the middle, output is medium, and near the ground, output is low. So that is how it will be working. So now how does Arduino will read this? So Arduino reads the voltage as a number. Okay, so if it is fully left, then it is 0. If it is in middle, then it is 512. And as we can see that it is in right, so if it is right, if it is in right, it is 1023. The number is showing to the Arduino. So the common uses of this as LED dimmer, volume control, or joystick control, and motor speed control, etc. So pin we can remember as pin 1, that is S pin is used as output signal, and VCC or V is power, and G is ground. So easy way to remember is, think of it like a sandwich. Okay, so top bread is VCC, and filling is output, that is middle pin, and bottom is the bread, that is ground. So we can say that potentiometer is a variable resistor with three pins that lets you adjust the output voltage by turning a knob, just like adjusting the volume on a speaker or the speed of fan. So that is the potentiometer. So now we have learned what is potentiometer. So that's it for now. See you in the next video, robot builders.